Well, next on the list is I got to build a harness for this Ford 300, and like I said before, I'm planning on doing a P01 GM ECM. I've used these ECMs in a lot of different cars. I'm a pretty big advocate for LT1swap.com. They give a lot of pinouts, great diagrams, so you know what you can get away with cutting out of harnesses. I've used them on at least 3 vehicles now. Anyway, there's a lot of stuff that I won't be needing, so you will be very surprised at how many wires end up getting cut out of these. Each connector is 80 pins. I bet you I'm going to cut at least 40 wires out of each connector, so we'll see how it goes. Well, we got a mess here. A lot of wires, but once you start tying everything up, it'll clean up and it'll be pretty convincing that it's a nice harness and everything. But at the end of the day, this is just a bunch of junk, old harnesses out of 99 to 02 Chevy trucks. Well, I got a little bit of an update for everyone. The last part of the video, you saw the engine seemed like it was missing, like it was out of time, and maybe I just had the reluctor wheel in the wrong position. What I discovered was that 24 tooth reluctor wheel, my understanding is when it sees top dead center, the next 90 degrees is when it anticipates a fire, and that works good on your conventional 90 degree V8s because there's 90 degrees between each firing sequence. On a 6-cylinder, it's 120 degrees. So, and there's not logic in a P01 ECM to fire individual coils with a 24 tooth crank reluctor and a 1X cam sync. So as much as I hate to do it, I'm gonna try this first. I pulled the coils off, and I am getting the rest of a 99 Blazer 4.3 distributor, and we're gonna fire this thing with the distributor. We're gonna use that still for sensing where the cam position is, and then we're gonna put a 3X crank reluctor on it for controlling the fueling and the timing. That should definitely work because the Blazers used a P01 ECM still, and I really wanted to run coils, but I can still try it with, it just is gonna require a different ECM. My understanding is an E37 ECM will work, but I just wanna see it run. So, and this is a lot cheaper avenue, and I have everything else pretty much. So we're gonna try that, and we're gonna go from there. And hopefully between Harvey and me, we get to see this thing make some smoke pretty soon.